Hi everyone. Today in this video we will be going to see how to make a small report. How to make not a report. How to make a small dashboard. Report reports are static and dashboards are dynamic, which means which means reports once made will remain stationary and will not auto update when new data is pasted or when new data is filled. But in case of dashboards, they are made once using dynamic pivots or formulas, and then they are used lifetime with maintenances. So dashboards when made, they auto update the metrics, figures or information when new data is filled or introduced or entered. So let's see how to make a small dashboard without any visualizations, only using complex and advanced formulas which only 1% Excel experts use in daily life. So we will make a dashboard which will show find sales of a product by a specific salesperson, total sales of mobile in South region, get the top one salesperson by total sales report for January 2025, classify sales performance high, medium, low. So we will see here how we can open Excel on cloud. Excel, we will type, this will open Excel on cloud. Here Excel will open on cloud. It is opening. We will create a blank workbook. It will take. So here is our data that we will, on sample data on which we will work. First give it a little borders. We will put drop down. We will choose these all borders. Now let's make them little bit more readable by adjusting column size. Make the headings to be centered aligned. For that we will go here and we will choose this center. So let's make it a little bit small like this. So in our dashboard, what we will do, we will make a dashboard here. So dashboard dash, we'll make a sales dashboard. So what are your questions? Find sales of product by a specific salesperson. So here we will type product and here we will type salesperson. salesperson and product. So what we want to do here, as we enter here product and salesperson, we want here to show the total sales of a product by specific salesperson. So here will be total, here will be sales made, sales made. So first of all, here we will make here drop down. For to make the drop down to be unique, what we will do, we will what we will do, it will be written sales made. So let's copy this product. Let's copy this product. Let's copy salesperson and product. Let's copy salesperson and product. Make a new sheet. Paste here and make it a little bit big. Now let's size the columns. And what we will do, we will select this. We'll select this from here till here, and we will press Alt A M. I'm showing again. When I press Alt, see here when I press Alt and release, here the alphabets will come here. I wish for data I will press A. This I'm telling shortcut for A. When I press A, data will be selected, and to remove duplicates, there will be M. See, remove duplicates M. So Alt A M. Now I press M and release. This will show the remove duplicates dialog box. So what I will do, I want to remove only the duplicates of product column. So what I will do, I will uncheck sales person column and I will press OK. It is removing all the rows. Let's press Ctrl Z and do. Let's press again Alt A M. Alt A M. Original. Let's select original selection. Our data has headers. Okay. Data not has headers. Data has headers. Okay. See, now it has removed only these rows are not deleted now. So these are the unique, what we call products. Now let's find unique salesperson. So unique salesperson that we have. For that, we will again press Alt A M for remove duplicate dialog box. We will select original selection. We have headers here, salesperson ticked. Okay. Now we got the unique salespersons. Now we will go to this sheet 1 and we will click here below the product cell. Now what we will do, we will press Alt, release. We have here A for data, we will press A. Now we will press V for validation. See, data validation with V. We press V and release, and we have the data validation. So we will click here, we will click here as the list, and source we will click here. Source we will click here on source dialog box, and we will click on the sheet 2, and we will select these three. Ignore blank, insert drop down table, apply. Now we can see these drop downs have come here. We can select it like here. Now the same we will do for salesperson. We'll click here. We'll press Alt A V, Alt then A then V we pressed. Now we'll choose the list here as before. We will click here. We'll go to sheet 2 and select the salespersons till here and apply. Now we have the salesperson. Let's say we have Charlie here. have now we will apply the formula. First of all, I'm going to demonstrate how we will use the dynamic formula to find the product and salesperson wise total sales. So here we have the total sales column. We need to sum this according to the product which we chose here and according to the salesperson that we chose here. So Bob we have here 3 times and laptop we have here 1 times. Bob we have laptop 1 times. So in the original data there can be multiple Bobs with multiple laptops. There can be multiple entries like this. Bob laptop there can be multiple entries 5, 7, 8,000, 10,000 lakh in big data. So here in sample we have only one entry. So the formula that I'm going to show it will work in all the big data and small data in sample and it will work everywhere in this data. So first of all we will write equal to we will select this. First let's convert this into table. Select this, press Ctrl T, not Ctrl T, this is cloud version. Go to insert, click here table. My table as header should be checked. Okay, now this is converted to table. Now let's go here, press equal to, we will choose this product we will choose column here and we have table 1 product here written like this and we will press equal to, we will click on this product and we will press F4 to lock this. Remember to lock this and then we will press enter. Now this has shown the array wise. So we have chosen this array and we pressed equal to where it is laptop, it will be true. Here and here there are laptop, true, 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 true. So here we have laptop. Now what we will do, we will press equal to here, we will press equal to here, we will type one more times, same thing, this salesperson equal to this salesperson. F4 lock this and enter. Now it will expand. So this Bob, where there it will be Bob, it will be true. Here it is Bob, it will be true. Here it will be true. Like this. So now we want to find where these both Bob and laptop are true. So for that what we will do, we will press equal to, first of all we will copy this, we will type, write it here equal to, then we will copy this and now see carefully, we will close this in bracket, this part, and we will write here star symbol, multiplication symbol, then we will open and close brackets and within this bracket we will paste this that we copied, salesperson, product and salesperson array we will multiply. Now see what we get. We get one where both the laptop and Bob are true. So laptop and Bob are true here. So we get one here. Others are 0. You can check this when we press mobile. Mobile is true here. Mobile and Bob are true here. Mobile and Bob are true here. So we get one here. So like this we will have. Now we can see tablet. Tablet and Bob are true here. Both are true here. So we get one. See, both trues are here. There are nowhere both are true. Both are true here and in this row only both are true. So we get one here. Now we can similarly see of here Alice. Alice is true. Alice and laptop is true in first. Alice and laptop like this. This formula is working. So multiplication what it will do, when both the conditions are true in this product and salesperson, it will show one for that. One means true, 0 means false here. Here 1 means true and 0 means false. So now we will copy this formula. First we will close this in bracket, starting bracket, and at the end we will use bracket. And now we will copy this within with the brackets. We will not copy the equal to sign. Control X, escape, key we press. Sorry. Now we will delete this. Since we have copied, we will delete this. This was only for demonstration for educational purpose that I showed here. This was only for educational purpose. So what we will do, we will press equal to here, we will type use match formula, match formula we will use here, and we will write here one we write here because we want those records only where these both are true. I showed you here that where there is one, there are the true case. True case is one, where these both are true, Alice and laptop. So we will write here one, and we want to see we want to look up one, where it is one, we want that record. We want the index of that. We will want the index number of that record. What match function does? It We will type a lookup value here. Suppose I want to search here Alice. I want to search here Alice, and I will type here lookup value. Then I will type here lookup array from which I want to search. I want to search from this salesperson column. I will select this, and in every case this zero will be fixed here. These two we want to enter. We have to enter from our side. Alice we want to look up in this salesperson table. We want the index of Alice in this salesperson table, and zero will be fixed here. Every time we will write zero here. This will not change any time. The zero will always remain same here. And these three parameters we have passed: one parameter, two parameter, three parameter. And then we will press enter. See, index number is 1 for Alice. And now let's see index number. It will only find the first index. Like Alice is here also, but it is not. But it will find the first. First Alice is coming here in one number, so it will give one. And now let's see, Bob is coming here in second number, and Charlie is coming in third number. So let's enter Charlie. Charlie is coming here also, 4, 5, 6, 7th index also Charlie is coming, but it will show only first index. It will give only first index in match. Like when we will enter the formula like this, it will show in the first index. So first index is at 3 number, Charlie is there. So output will be 3 here, you can see. So here we will not use this type of, we will not use the match formula in this way. We will enter here 1, and here we will enter what we copied the formula at that time. We will press Ctrl V. We pasted our formula that we demonstrated before. We pasted it here and we press enter. So laptop and Alice are matching in first position. Now let's see, laptop and Dinah are matching at fourth position. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are matching at fourth position. But okay, if what okay. Let's check this. It is showing fourth. But we want we want the sum. Now this is our match. We get the fourth index for Diana and laptop. Okay, so but Diana and laptop may come twice. Let's check here. Let's see, we have here east, and we have here Diana and laptop, and we have here this. I'm making a sample record, and here let's see, date is +1. Let's say plus 360. No, let's say plus 30. Let's change the date format first. We will press Ctrl+1. We will choose this custom date format. We press custom. we'll type here choose date format here as like this one. This date format is okay, or we can choose this date format is okay. This date format is okay. So let's see, we entered one more record here. Let's enter one more row here. We entered. Now let's see, it is showing fourth index. Now let's see the array wise. Array wise, it should show fourth, but it should show this also because we want the sum of sales. So for that, what we will do, there is one workaround. There is one change here. We will not use match formula because match formula will give only one more thing. You also got to know here is that by using match formula we get the only first match. Like here we will get this fourth index match. We will not get this match. So to get the sum of these both records, we will use not here match. We will delete this. We will delete this, and we get the array here. There are two matches here. One match is here, one match is here at the last. See here and here, fourth and last. So like this we have the array as before. So to get the sum of this, we want the sum of this total sales. So what we will do, I will press equal to, I will select this total sales column. I pressed enter here. So what I will do, I will multiply these both. When I multiply these both, 0 and 0 will cancel. This multiplied by 0, this multiplied by 0 will give 0. But where there will be 1, it will multiply and give the same value to 2250 and 2280. Let's demonstrate it here. We first of all we copy this formula and paste it here. Let's enter equal to sign at starting. We get same this thing here, like this same this thing. Now we copy this second formula, this column total sales, and we write a multiplication symbol, and then we open bracket, close bracket, and within brackets we will paste this total sales column and press enter. Now see, we get these two, 2250 and this 2880. Now what we will do, we will copy this formula. First of all, we will give a starting bracket and last close bracket, and we will copy this with the brackets by leaving equal to sign. We will press Ctrl X, cut it, press escape, then we will delete this as we have copied the main formula. We will press equal to sign here, we will paste this here and enter. We get here like this. Now we want the sum of these two. So what we will use, it should come in your mind which formula we will use. We will use the sum formula. So at starting here we will write sum. We will write sum formula here and we will press enter. Now we get the sum. So like this, a dynamic formula is ready now. But one thing I want to explain, in Excel 365 it automatically calculates the array formula. Since these are the array formulas, like long listing formulas, array formulas these are not a single value formula, these are array formulas, because we are getting the output in multiple rows, in multiple cells we are getting output. So to get the result of when we write this array formula in sum, it will give the incorrect result if you will similarly press enter here. In lower versions of Excel like 2016, 2021, 2024, in these versions you need to, when you type formula here, you need to press Ctrl, Shift and enter. This is Excel 365, so here we can simply press enter. No need to press Ctrl, Shift, enter here. When we press Ctrl Shift Enter, like here in when we press Ctrl Shift Enter, it will automatically give curly braces. You need to only press Ctrl Shift Enter here. when the formula doesn't work, so you need to press Control Shift Enter in lower versions of Excel. But in Excel 365, we don't need to press Control Shift Enter. We can only press Enter as usually. But in lower versions, you need to press Control plus Shift plus Enter. Control plus Shift plus Enter. This thing you need to press. First you will press Control and then you will hold it. Then you will press Shift. Then you will hold both of these. You will keep holding both. Then you will press Enter and you will release. Control, then hold, Shift, then hold, then Enter and release both three keys. Like this, Control plus Shift plus Enter you need to press. Then it will give the correct result 5130 in lower versions of Excel. Otherwise it will give some random arbitrary value, garbage value it will give otherwise. If you will not press Ctrl Shift Enter and you will simply press Enter in lower versions, it will give garbage value. But in Excel 365 when you press Enter, it will not give garbage value. It will not give garbage value, it will give the correct value in Excel 365 version. So that is here. So we have got here. Now let's see tablet sales of Dyna. Tablet sales of Dyna are 0. Tablet, no. Dyna are here 3 times. Mobile, laptop and laptop. No tablet. Dyna has not sold tablet. Let's see, tablet is sold by Alice one time, so it should come 2880. Let's check here. Alice 2880 it is showing. So this formula will work. There can be many records, thousands and crores of records can be here. In Excel, usually we have 10 lakh records. We can have 10.6 lakh records max. So there can be multiple records like 1000, 2000, 10,000, 20,000 for like Alice and tablet, and it will sum all those sales and it will give the total here. Like here it is giving for Diana and laptop. Diana and laptop it is giving total 5130, 2880 plus this one 2250. This and this it is giving. So our next part is total sales of mobile in the south region. We want to calculate. We want to calculate total sales of product in some region. So for this way, simply what we will do, we have chosen product here. We can Control X this and paste it here. It will auto correct the formula. No need to change that. We will type here region. So for region, what we will do, we will do the same thing that we did before. We copy this, go to sheet 2, paste it here, and we press Alt A M. We will use original selection. Okay. We have the 4 regions: north, south, east, west. Now what we will do, we will click here. We press Alt A V. Then we choose here list. Click here. Click here sheet 2. We select these regions. Apply. Let's choose south region. Now it will not update because we have not applied region in the formula. So for that we will open this formula by in edit mode, and what we will do, we will click here. This thing is our array. What we need to, everything will remain same, but here at the starting, what you will do, you will press multiplication symbol, and before that you will type. Okay, you will open bracket, close bracket, and within this bracket we are multiplying something in this bracket with all this array. So what we will do, we will open this, in this bracket we will type this region. We will select this region here, and then we will press equal to sign, and we will click here. We will lock this, and now enter. In south region, Diana has no laptop, but Diana has in laptop has in east region and west region. So for west region it is 2250. Let's select west. We have here 2250. So like this it is calculating. Still it will calculate multiple record sum and it will give it here. So this is correct. Now we want to get the top 1 salesperson by total sales. So for that, get the top one salesperson by total sales we want to get. So for that, what we will do, first of all, we will press equal to here. We'll press equal to here. We will select this total sales. We have the array here like this. We have the array. Now we want to check which salesperson has the highest sales. So for that, we will type here equal to this salesperson column. We will type here. Now we want now Diana is coming here three times. Sorry, three times Diana is coming here. Charlie is coming here. So we want to sum these. So for that we will do. So for this we what we will do. We will choose this here. Like this we have here. We'll copy this. We'll make one sheet. We will paste it here. And here we will have sales. We will have total sales. Let's copy this, paste the formats here. Again, formatting only. Sales. Now we will use this formula. We'll copy this formula. We'll paste it here. We'll give equal to sign and we will delete region. A region we will delete with the multiplication symbol. Here product also we will delete. Now it is salesperson equal to where it is this, not B16. It should be this A2. And we will not log this because we want to drag the formula below. So we will enter this. It is showing Alice has this much sale. Now let's drag it below. And Bob and Charlie and Diana has this much sale. Now let's check for Diana 8700 sale. Let's check for Alice 11580. Alice is this, and this. It is showing 11580. You can see here it is showing 11580. 11580 here. And here it is showing 11580. This is correct. Now what we will do to find the topmost contestant or topmost salesperson who have made the largest sale. So for that what we will do, sales person with largest sales is this. We will type here equal to curly braces, not curly braces, in double quotes we will type this, and this we will merge till here. Alt H and C. We'll merge it like this. We will make this in middle, here in middle. Now for largest cell we will apply formula for largest cell. Large formula we will type. We will go to sheet 3. We will type here this. We will select and we will press comma and then 1 we will type because you want the first largest. Here it is B2 to B5 comma 1 to get the first largest. We will press close it and we get first largest value as 11580. But we need to fetch that salesperson for this largest. So what we will do, we will make another formula. let's let's control, let's cut this, let's copy this formula and type here match, and let's paste it here, that formula that we copied, paste it here, comma, go to the sheet 3 and select this, then comma 0, close the bracket, we get first index. Now we will copy this part, cut it and type index formula. Index formula we type, go to sheet 4, sorry, sheet 3, we select this and we press comma, we paste that what we copied, we paste it here and close the bracket, and then we are getting Alice. Alice is the first person. As we will add more data, it will give the correct person who is the first in the sales. So let's now copy this formula, open this, first give some space here, now press this ampersand symbol and now paste the formula here and now enter. Now it is giving salesperson with largest sale is Alice. We want this in uppercase, so we will open a bracket here, we will close a bracket at the end, and at the starting before bracket open we will type upper formula and we will press enter. Now it is giving in uppercase. So like this thing is ready, and now we want sales report for January 2025. To get the sales report for January 2025, we will give a date option here. For January 2025, let's say we want for January 20, we want it by the January 2025. So what we will do, we will copy this, we will not copy this. We want by January 2025, we want the sales report. So here we will type January 2025 sales done. In January 2025, the sales done will be, what we will do, we will copy this formula, Control C, we will paste it here, Control V, let's remove the grid lines here. Let's make this insert table, okay, make this, let's format this, let's make this paste special formatting only, let's merge this, let's make this also, this formatting, paste special formatting only. Now let's merge this and middle it left from here, and similarly we have here, let's have the formatting pasted here. Let's merge this also. Let's copy this and paste the formatting here. Formatting we paste it here and we merge this. Now here the formula what we will change here, table region we will everything will be same. Now we only want the January 2025 sales, so we will remove these. We will remove these all, and we will choose this date column. The date column, and we keep this date in brackets, and we in brackets we put this date, table 1 date column we put in brackets, and we type here we will type here we want for January 2025. We have all the columns here like this. We can see here all the columns here are two. It is starting from January 2020. We only have one column for February, but we want for January 2025. We want for January 2025. So we will see it here. We will type here month formula. We will type here month formula. Let's see what this month formula is giving. This month formula, cut it. Now let's see this month formula. What does this give? It is giving 2 for February, 1 for January. But we want this in what we call, you will need to convert this in date format. So what we will do, we will type here 1, we will type here 1% at the end. We will type here, we can type anything, 2025, 2024, we can type anything. Here also we can type 1, or these 2025 and 1 we can type anything, but one should be between 1 to 31, 1 to 30, and this should be 2025, 1999, anything. Any value you can choose, but this should be same. This month and table 1 date should be same like this what I have written. But you can write anything here. In one you can write 1 to 30, you can write any number. Here you can write any valid year like 2025, 2039, 2100, 1999, you can type any. So let's do this. Now it is giving like this, but we need to put here this like this. We will type here with a hyphen we give here, and here also we give the hyphen like this. Now we enter. Now what we see, if we extract the month here using text formula, type text, choose this, comma, and format value we give like this. When we type M 4 times, it will give full January. But we type M, when we type M 3 times, it will give like this, as it is written here. Now let's copy this below, drag this below. It is giving here. One thing is here. What it is giving month. Okay, it is predicting it in that format. It is showing it in. Let's check what is here. Day. Let's check what is here. Day. Day is here too. Okay, it is according to in cloud. It is picking 2 as the day, and it is picking 1 as the month. So what we will do, we need to change that. We will type here according to that, or what we can do, another solution is, we need to, in cloud it is like this. So it should be compatible with the our local time. In cloud time, the local time is like this. First we will have month, then we will have day, then we will have year. To overcome that, we can do one thing. We can copy this, and we can press Ctrl 1. We can go to general. We can go to general. We can go to date, and we can type it here like this. This format. This format we choose. but still it will pick because it is compatible. In cloud, what it is, it will show first month, then day, then year. So therefore that we will change accordingly. We will cut this part. We will type here ampersand. We paste it like here, and now it will show correctly. One more thing here. This should be one more hyphen should be here. Now let's everything changed. Now let's correct this part. Let's choose here M. There are two hyphens, so okay, we remove this hyphen. Remove this hyphen. Now it is showing February correct. We are getting for this month, we are getting Feb. So now this formula is correct. But in place of C19, what we will remove this C19 and we will paste this formula here. We copy this formula, Control X, cut. We paste it here in that place of C19. Now let's press enter. Remove this. Remove this. Remove this as well. Now it is showing this formula. This formula it is showing text like this. So what we will do, we will copy this formula by leaving equal to sign. We cut this. We remove this. What we will do, we will paste it here. At place of table date, we will paste it here. We pasted it here. This formula. So we pasted this formula here. Now what we will type? One thing is here that we can press equal to here, and we will give here January. Jan. Now let's press enter. Now it is showing. Let's change its format. Go make it general. Make it general. It is given 31840. Let's check this. It is given total sales as 31840. Here it is 31840. Here also it is 31840. You can verify it like this. Sum. Let's sum this. We have January 25 like these columns. February we will not count because we are calculating for January 2025. These are matching. See 31840, 31840. But one thing, if we change this to 2026, let's see 2026, we change the year. Still it is showing 31840, but it should not show. It should not count this 2026. It should be the correct value should be till 10. Till here to here. We will not count 2026 columns. So correct answer is 3380, but here it is giving for the whole where there is January month, it is giving for that. So to rectify that, we want only for January month and also only for 2025 year, where year is 2025. So for that case, what we will do, this thing is correct. We will copy this. We will copy this. What we will do, we will copy this till here. Copy this till here, and we will paste it here, and we press star symbol, multiplication symbol, and here what we will do, here we will give year. Here it will give what we will do here, one more thing, equal to year. Let's find out year from here. Press year. We select this column, enter. We are getting year. So we will copy this year formula. Let's delete this and we paste it here. Paste it here, and we open the brackets, close, and here we will type multiplication symbol. Here we type the year formula, and we give equal to 2025. Enter. Now it is given 30380 for January 2025. It is giving. So this is also done. Now classify sales performance high, medium, low. So For that we will see, let's find out the quartile and median. So for that we will use quartile. We'll use quartile formula. We will type here, we will select this, we will give quartile number. It is showing 0 for minimum value, 4 for maximum value, 1 for first quartile, 3 for third quartile, 2 for median. So we type here 0 minimum value, or we can type here like this, 0 for minimum value. We copy this like this. First we copy this below. We type here 1. Type here 1. We type here 2. Type here 2. We type here 3. We type here 4. So this is our minimum value, minima. This is our maximum value. This is our third. This is our third quartile. This is our first quartile. This is our median. So what we want to find? We want to classify this according to low. What we say? We want to classify according to this according to sales according to high, medium, and low sales. Low, high, medium, and low sales. We want to classify that. So we can see here median is 2880. So we can set a criteria where it is below 2300, where it is below 2400, it should be low sales. Where it is greater than equal to 2400 and less than 3500, it should be medium. Should be medium sales. Medium. And where it should be greater than equal to, it should be greater than equal to 3500, it should be high sales. We set the criteria according to this. So now let's make a column here, sales classification, sales classification. Let's type here. First of all, I will show how to do this in Excel 365 using a built-in formula. By using ifs. Ifs is a built-in formula. Ifs is a built-in formula. Ifs formula you will not get in lower versions of Excel. If you want this classify formula to work in every version of Excel, that formula I will show you after this. First, let's see Excel 365 latest modern formula. Let's see it here. In ifs, first we will type logical test. This will be our logical test. If this thing is, we will click this. If this value is less than, this value is less than 2400, is a logical test, then we want to print low. Now second logical test we will give same as this on this, and condition will be if this is greater than equal to 2400, but we want this condition also to be true, less than 3500. So we will use AND operator. AND operator we will write. In AND operator we have given first condition to be greater than equal to 2400, and second condition we can give by pressing comma. After pressing comma we will need to put second condition. We will click on here, this again should be, second condition should be less than 3500. Less than 3500. If this is true, and means these both conditions should be true. This should be less than 3500 and greater than equal to 2400. So this should be medium. medium, and if total sales this in third logical test, if total sales is greater than equal to 3500, then it should be high. Let's close the bracket, enter. Some mistake is there in the formula. What is the mistake? Okay, we did not close the bracket here. We need to close the bracket here. Now it is correct formula. See, we are getting here high, medium, low, low, high, medium. These are giving correct. You can check it. You can tally it from here. This is the correct result. But this will work in Excel 365 only, not in lower versions. So for that, there is another formula, that is if formula. Nested if. We will use nested if for that. Nested if. First we will write if this is greater than equal to 2400, then print low, oh sorry, less than 2400, print low, again comma. Now again we will type if formula, if, and we will type if this is greater than equal to 2400, and another condition we will type here, and formula for two conditions, and formula we typed here. I will type here and formula. Let's open bracket here. Another condition will be this should be less than 3500 for medium. If the let's close the bracket, and it will print medium for that. Medium. We will close. We will put comma. Again we will use nested if. We will use if formula. If formula we will have, and if this is greater than equal to 3500, then we will print high. Now let's close this. Close one more time. Close one more time, because we have three ifs, so we want three brackets here. Let's enter. Now this formula is also giving correct result. We can copy it below like this. See here, the formula is nested if here. This will work in every version of Excel, be it the lowest version of Excel or highest version of Excel. In every version of Excel, this will work, nested if. But the ifs formula, IFS, when here it will be IFS, ifs formula, this will work in higher versions of Excel only, like 2024, 2023 or 2025, 365, these versions. So here we have completed these things. We have made our dynamic dashboard here. If you are we can now here we have made our dynamic dashboard here. I will put the link of this workbook in the description box. You can download the workbook from there. Now to download this workbook from cloud. Now download this workbook from cloud. We will go to create a file and create a copy. We will choose download a copy, and it will be downloaded here. See, it is downloaded here. So thank you. Have a great day. Thanks a lot.